Introduction. What are ad creatives? Why are ad creatives important? How to create effective ad creatives. Tips for creating ad creatives. Using $500 in Google Ads credits to test and optimize ad creatives. Conclusion. Introduction. Welcome to this video on ad creatives and how to use $500 in Google Ads credits to test and optimize them. Ad creatives are the actual content of an advertisement, such as the text, images, and videos used. In this video, we'll cover the importance of ad creatives, how to create effective ones, and how to use your Google Ads credits to test and optimize them for the best results. What are ad creatives? Ad creatives are the content of an advertisement, including the text, images, and videos used. They play a crucial role in any advertising campaign as they help capture the audience's attention and communicate the ad's message. Why are ad creatives important? Ad creatives are important for several reasons. Firstly, they help to capture the attention of the audience. If an ad creative is not eye-catching or relevant, it is likely to be ignored by the audience. Additionally, ad creatives are essential for effectively communicating the message of the ad. A strong ad creative should convey the value or benefit of the advertised product or service. How to create effective ad creatives? There are several key elements to consider when creating effective ad creatives. These include communicating the value or benefit of the product or service being advertised, using compelling and relevant images or videos, crafting a strong and persuasive call to action, ensuring that the ad creative is visually appealing and easy to read. Tips for creating ad creatives. Here are a few tips to keep in mind when creating ad creatives. Keep it simple. Don't try to cram too much information into your ad creative. Instead, focus on one key message and communicate it. Use visually appealing images or videos. High-quality images or videos can help to capture the attention of the audience and make your ad more memorable. Test different versions. Don't be afraid to try out different versions of your ad creative to see which performs best. You can use your Google Ads credits to test different versions and see which one gets the best results. Using $500 in Google Ads credits to test and optimize ad creatives. Your $500 in Google Ads credits is a valuable resource for testing and optimizing your ad creatives. You can use the credits to run multiple versions of your ad and see which one performs best. This will help you to determine which ad creatives are most effective and allow you to improve your overall advertising campaign. Conclusion. In conclusion, ad creatives are an essential part of any advertising campaign. They help capture the audience's attention and effectively communicate the ad's message. By following the tips outlined in this video and using your Google Ads credits to test and optimize your ad creatives, you can improve the effectiveness of your advertising campaign and get the best possible results. Thank you for watching.